guys, today's recipe is a vitamin C rich green smoothie using the Happy Way greens powder. So I'll be using 1 scoop of that today in my smoothie. I'm also going to add in 1 scoop of the vanilla Happy Way protein powder. I've got about a half a cup here of frozen pineapple. I'll be using 1 kiwi fruit. Now I'm going to just pop the whole kiwi fruit in there, but you can peel it and take the skin off if you wanted to. I'll be using 1 overripe banana and just a cup of water in this one. Alternatively, you could also use some coconut water, just depending on what you have. So to make it, chuck it all in your blender and blend it until it's nice and smooth and creamy.